Every moment of your life is very much important. As every drop of water makes a mighty ocean, same every step is very much important for you to success. You will cry one day if you will waste your time. You can buy a diamond, but not a single moment of your life more. Waste moment of your past is a grave of your hopes. No any advice can make you wise than a slip of time. Every heartbeat of your life is another step towards your death. If you don't listen, tick tick of wall clock, one day the tick tick will rain on your head like a hammer. If you really observe the speed of time, you will not waste it. Time passes away and left memories only. Memory is best thing and more wealthy than you collect property for your children. Time is precious, value it. Sometimes life changer also in need of a person to change him, to live update. Sometimes a teacher also needs to learn like learner. Sometimes helping hands also need to be helped. Sometimes you shouldn't compare yourself to others. Sometimes make to regret to shine in future. Sometimes motivational speakers are needed to be motivated. Sometimes writers are needed to read more books. Sometimes laughing is best cure of sadness. Sometimes closed doors are opened when continuously knocked. Sometimes enemy becomes friend and friends become enemy. Sometimes flying alone is better than toxic friends. When you learn forgive and forget, life becomes easy. A young man asked the question to an old man. I am curious to find out the answer of a question. I mean, how to find character of anyone. At that time, old man smiled and said, one thing you should remember in your life that if you don't know character of anyone, then you should remember that you should find his social circle. I mean about his friends. If his friends are good, you should trust him. If they are not, you shouldn't. Character is identification of your past. One thing you should remember that whenever you are taking care of your character, it means you are on the right path. So take care of your character. Sometimes compromise is important, but not on character. Your character can change the game even you are defeated. To live in history, it's important that you should make to regret. Set your boundaries and don't allow anyone to cross it. Your friends are your identification, so you should have good friends.